Hi guys, wind-powered cars again. The car that we can see in front of us at the moment is the one I made in my second attempt in the recent session, whatever I can call it. I was given a shopping list of items I could use, and there really wasn't anything suitable, or what I consider suitable, for axles. There was pencils, and that's what this car has got. Pencil axles. So I'm just going to film it going up the room there, up the kitchen, and then I'm going to change the axles to barbecue skewers, which will be thinner and should give us less friction. So I just want to compare the two together. So I'll superimpose the barbecue skewer axles on top of the pencil axles. So we'll watch this one first, and then I'll change the axles. Right, I'll change the axles. Right, this time bamboo canes or barbecue skewers as the axles. I hope that's pretty close to exactly the same position. So what I'll do now is superimpose the two clips of video and see if we can see any difference between the speeds. Of course, these are slopping around quite a bit in the big holes that the pencils had for the axle tubes, but I didn't want to change anything. But that did mean that this was able to drift off to the right a bit at the end instead of go straight. But I hope that won't make much difference to the video. Well, I've watched the video back, and rather as I hoped, the smaller axles did give us a very slight improved acceleration. Probably not a perfect test because I only did one run, and you really ought to do about 10 runs just to see if there was a regular difference. But on the face of it, the thinner axle gave us less friction, so we had a faster acceleration, and we got to the other end of the room just that bit quicker.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.